Introducing the 2020 Volvo Xc60 T8 Twin N Phev INS at 5-door auto in sleek black. This powerful 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric vehicle offers a luxurious driving experience with a long list of comfort and accessories features. With top-of-the-line safety and security features, including collision alert and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. The stylish design is complemented by interior features such as cup holders and luxury trim. Plus, with energy recuperation and stop and start system, you'll save on fuel. This Volvo also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information.